actually remembered them, maybe a little bit different. But if it helps one person memorize the exam, or memorize the formulas for the exam, I'm totally cool with making a fool out of myself right now. But the way that I remembered the formulas was straight down. Look, they all start with earned value. All right? We've got subtraction, and we have division. And then we have actual cost and planned value. So this is how I remembered it. It was sort of a little song in my head. EV, 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 minus, minus, divide, divide, PV, AC, PV, AC. I knew AC was for cost and PV was for the other one. EV, 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 minus, minus, divide, divide, PV, AC, PV, AC. And I do believe I was still mumbling that as I was signing in for my exam. And as soon as I got my scratch paper, that's exactly how I wrote it, straight down. So if it helps one person, sing a little tune in your head. It'll help you remember it. Now, you might be looking down below and going, wow, that's a lot of information. First thing I want to do is get rid of one of these. You do not need to know that one for the exam. Yay! Do not need to know that one for the exam. And basically what I'm going to do is talk about these in the order that you need to memorize them. Keeping in mind, I will give you all the formulas you need to know for the exam. Earned value, PERT, the risk formula, communication channels, all of it. Okay? You'll have every single one, I promise. But let's talk about these in order. What you're looking at here is an acronym that stands for Estimate at Completion. The EAC, and it's not the East Australian Current either, the EAC is the Estimate at Completion. What that literally means is we've got a budget at completion, right? A budget, the original baseline. Our estimate at completion is our forecasted estimate for the total amount that this project is going to cost us based on past and current performance. It's a forecast. We're forecasting future based on what's currently going on and past performance. So the formula for estimate at completion, the one that I absolutely want you to know for the exam, if you forget all the rest of them, this is the one to know, right, is the budget at completion, which makes sense, the original budget we're comparing, and the current